Good afternoon, guys. Speaking is King Jerry, the CEO of King J Media. You can formerly known as King J Graphics. I've been receiving so many messages concerning how um, to get resources. Many graphics designers um, have been coming to my DM to ask me how do I get such resources on how to create a pro design. So today I decided to make this video. Before you start, pause this video and go to my page King J Graphics and um open your Facebook. On the tab bar, search for King J Graphics. You can see it on top. I'll just click on it. So what you do is just to like the page and follow me up. Click on this button and follow me up. Thank you. So let's get started. How to um, get resources online. There are two popular websites you can get resources. The first one serves as inspiration for every graphic designer. Suppose a customer comes to your DM or to your inbox and tell you, sir, please, I need a flyer, maybe a moi flyer. I go remember when I could not do such. So there are some websites you can go and download such resources. So on doing that, you get inspiration or an insight of what you are about to do than doing something that you have not never done before. So the first site I'm going to show you is where you can get your resources. So I'll open Pinterest. So Pinterest is a website where you can actually get your an insight of what you want to do. Suppose I want to design a church flyer, I will just click on the search button and allow it to load. So I'll click on the search button and search for church flyer design. Don't forget to put design, not just search for church flyer, but church flyer what design. So on doing that, you will see professional church flyers that has been designed. As you can see a lot of them. So you can either screenshot it or you download it, but me, I prefer screenshotting my flyer. Then when I go to my design environment, I will now do what? I will now crop it. Then I'll use it and design and make something unique from what you can see there are backgrounds, but sometimes the backgrounds are not that high compared to the website I'm going to show you. So that is all about how to um, get your resources and insight of the design you want to do. So the next one I'm going to show you is where you can get your resources, which is the what made me to create this video. So I'm going to search for Freepik. So I'm going to search for Freepik. So Freepik is a website where graphic designers go to search, get their resources. They can also download Photoshop extendable file, that is PSD. So they can download PSD files, already made jobs, and edit it to their taste. So as you can see, it offers vectors, photos, PSD video templates to create your design. So we are interested on how to get our resources. Suppose I want to design a church flyer. One of the things you need in a church flyer is what? You might need light. You might need light. So you just type light and search for light. Wait for it to load. You can see a lot of light effects, and most of you must have seen such light effect on a banner or a flyer. So that is it. Then the next thing in line, for if you want to download a 3D design, that is mockup as properly called. I call it 3D design. So what you do is select PSD Now you are telling the website that the files that you are searching for should be a PSD file. Then you go to the search box and download. Suppose you want to make your design to be on a billboard. You just search on the search box, type for billboard on the search bar. So I'm going to search for billboard and click on the search button. I have so many notifications on my phone, so just ignore those things. So you can see a lot of word billboard on the screen. So because of I specified the type of file I want to download, so I'm going to select the billboard I want to download that suits my job. I love this one, so I can go for something like this. Then under the download button, I'll click on what download. I don't want to download this because I already have it. So click on the download button. It will automatically tell you that the file you're about to download is a PSD file, and it also contains a JPEG file. PSD file is a file that can only be opened with Photoshop, Adobe Photoshop. If you don't have your Adobe Photoshop installed on your laptop, you can't use it. Then the JPEG file can open on your phone, it can open on any computer, but the PSD file can just open on Photoshop application. So that's it. So it is the file. PSD files are always heavy, and this website now you can only download about 5 items in a day unless you subscribe to their premium. So what I do is that I'll make sure I don't misuse the 5 chances to download a file I want to use to do my project. So I make sure I don't misuse it. So I go straight to what I need and download, and not downloading randomly. So that's all about it. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to visit my page, King J Graphics, in bracket King J Media. King J Graphics is the former name before King J Media. We teach students on how to become a good graphics designer, because when you become a good graphics designer, you can become a pro designer. You cannot just wake up one morning and say, I want to be a pro. No, you have to become what? A good graphics designer before thinking of becoming a pro. So my name remains Comrade Jeremiah, the CEO of King J Media. Thanks for watching. God bless.
Thanks for watching. At King J Media, call 08028786923. We train students and graphics designer who are having difficulties in creating a professional design. Observing the principles of designs. Don't forget to like and follow our page on Facebook to get more video upload. Your likes and follows we motivate me to create another. Thanks once again. God bless.